Hey everybody, so I'm back with the GPX Moto TSE250R, and we're going to take a look at the tubeless in the rear and TireJect tire sealant that I have in there to see if it actually seals. So what I made here is this contraption. As you can see, 4 screws through this board. It's obviously not going to lay flat on cement, so I'm going to go put this over in the yard, and I'm going to run it over with the back of the bike and see what happens. Okay, the board didn't work, so I'm gonna take it and we're gonna screw it in. There we go. We got it in. It got punctured. And got punctured, got violated, and oh, you can see the stuff come out. Rotate it. Of course, this one will come out too. You're riding, you're going around. You wouldn't even know because you'd be on the trail. You'd probably be going faster than I would be spinning this. Okay, it stopped hissing. Oh, still a little. That one stopped. This one's still doing its thing. You'd be riding though. And I have 6 ounces of TireJect in there. There we go. That one finally sealed up. That one sealed up right there. That one seems like it's sealed. So it took a little bit, and it would be a little bit messy. You do lose some fluid, but that's nowhere near 6 ounces of the stuff. So it did work. I had a lot of air in here, and it's still way more than us riders would ride with typically. So, oh, I just noticed, hey, we got a little cactus poking in right there. Little thorn in there. So yeah, TireJect does work. You do lose some, but you do keep your air pressure. Although it seemed like it was peeing out, pissing out, it sealed. And as long as you're riding and keeping that TireJect going around and around and continually coming out, I mean, you're good to go. So yeah, I think the stuff works.